Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing a spread today for Project Life, and I'm doing it for April of 2018. So I am slowly trying to catch up on my Project Life. So I've done June already, I've done May, and now we are going to do April today. So that's what I'm doing. I'm taking these alpha stickers from the Recollections sticker book from Michaels, and I'm going to put April just diagonally across my title card. And when I put these letters down, I looked at this for a hot little minute, and then I was like, something's missing from this. Like, something's missing from this title card. I know I wanted to use this title card because of the pink flowers, but I was like, this still looks pretty empty. And so I found this gold washi, this gold foil washi, and I wanted to put it underneath that April. And so that's what I did, and I cut most of that out because you guys didn't need to see me like repositioning all those letters and all that, but yeah, that's what I did. So before I start talking about this card, I want to just throw a disclaimer out there that this spread is going to be very minimalistic. I think I say that in like every video, but I'm for real this time. This spread is going to be very minimalistic. I didn't do a lot of embellishments. I didn't do a lot of layering. I didn't do a lot. So yeah, I wanted to keep it as kind of simple as possible, but still pretty cute. I think the spread still came out very cute, even though I didn't do a lot of embellishments. And I don't know if you've noticed yet, but my color scheme is pink. It's pink. So yeah, that's my color scheme. But onto this card. I'm doing a card devoted towards the cherry blossoms. So you guys know, if you're an OG Jess Loves Life fan, you know that I love cherry blossom season. It's one of the reasons I moved to DC. Just one of the reasons I moved to DC. And I love cherry blossom season just for the fact that it kind of makes me fall in love with the city all over again. So I really wanted to do a card devoted towards the cherry blossoms. And so what I'm doing right now is taking this sticker from the Colorful Boxes sticker book and just writing down Cherry Blossom Festival. But yeah, just very simple, just something to commemorate the cherry blossoms. This next card is going to be devoted towards you can hardly see what that picture is, but it's actually a picture of the Capitol wheel, and it's actually a picture of the Capitol wheel, and the reason you can't see it is because it was very foggy and very cloudy. My church did a Christian walk, and so my church is in Alexandria, and we did a walk across the Woodrow Wilson Bridge to the National Harbor. Well, not all the way to the National Harbor, but fairly close to the National Harbor. And so I took that picture of the Capitol wheel, so just to commemorate the walk. That's the only picture that I have, because I was really just trying to like get back over the bridge and finish the walk. But it was 5 miles total. So from Alexandria across the bridge is 2.5 miles, and then from across the bridge back to Alexandria is another 2.5 miles. So in total, it was 5 miles. And so I just wanted to do a spread just to commemorate that walk that I did. And yeah, that's pretty much it for that card. Also, RIP to my washi, because I used up the last of my washi on that card, but it's fine. This next card is devoted towards, the next two cards are going to be devoted towards my friend from grad school. He actually got married, and he invited a bunch of us from grad school to the wedding. And what I'm doing now, just disclaimer, I told you guys this spread is going to be very minimalistic. This card is probably going to be the most embellishment of any of the cards in this spread. So I put down this die cut this doily die cut on this card, and then I'm taking a gold tag. I told you guys I have a million of these gold tags and they just won't run out. I keep finding them all over the place. And so I took this gold tag and I put both of those down just to give, I don't like white space in a spread. So yeah, that's what I wanted to do. That's what I wanted to do with this card. But this picture that I'm putting down is like all of us from grad school minus the bride and groom, but just the rest of us. So it turned into like a mini, his wedding turned out to be kind of a mini grad school reunion, and I was extremely excited about it because it's rare that we all get a chance to, especially after school, and we're all grown-ups now, and we never really get a chance to hang out all together, especially because we're all, well, I was about to say all of us are in different places, but I think they're all in Charlotte and I'm the only one that's in DC. But but still, for the most part, that's only like a core group of us. There's still like some people that were missing from our friend circle. But it turned out to be a really good time because it was a way to just kind of catch up with everybody all at the same time. And so what I'm doing right now is going in this memory keeping sticker book, and I'm trying to find a sticker that will go on this spread. And I found the perfect one, and I found that sticker that says life is better with friends, because it really is. And so yeah, I'm glad I found that sticker, because like at the beginning I found like just a smaller friends sticker, and I was like, I'm pretty sure I can find like something else to go along with this, to go along on this spread. And so I was really excited when I found that life is better with friends sticker. And then also, I didn't like that XOXO that was at the top of that Project Life card, and so I'm just taking this pink washi and just layering it across the top. And I put like multiple layers of this washi down because like it was kind of thin, so you could still kind of see that XOXO at the top if I only put down one layer. So that's why I put down like multiple layers of that washi. And then I'm taking this sticker from the Colorful Boxes sticker book, and I'm just gonna put the date down. I'm just gonna put the date down. I really love that picture of all of us. I think we all looked really good, if I do say so myself. But yeah, I thought we all looked really good, and again, it was a way to just catch up with everybody. So this next card is going to be devoted towards the actual bride and groom. So I went to school, I don't know if I said this before, but I went to school with the groom, and so when I got the invitation to the wedding, this is the invitation. When I got the invitation to the wedding, there was this really, really cute picture of the two of them from their engagement shoot on the invitation. And so I had the invitation just lying around. The wedding is long gone by now. So I was like, I still have this invitation and I don't know what to do with it. And so when I pulled out all my stuff to do this spread, I looked and I was like, oh, I can just put this engagement picture on my spread. So that's what I wanted to do. It's basically a way for me to use the invitation that I had just lying around, and then also I really like that picture. So yeah, so I wanted to add that. And then also I'm like running out of zinc paper from my Polaroid zip printer, so I didn't get a shot of them, or I couldn't like print out a shot of them like at the actual wedding, but yeah, I still thought that was a really, really cute picture to just incorporate into the spread. I think later on I'm gonna go back in, and when I get some more zinc paper, I'm gonna go back in and like add another picture of them at the actual wedding. But I really like that picture just in the meantime as a placeholder. So also what I'm gonna do is find another sticker from the memory keeping sticker book, and I don't even know which one I decided on. Oh yeah, I remember. I found a sticker that says Special Day, and this is actually the OG sticker book from Mambi. Like, this is the OG memory keeping sticker book. This is the sticker book that they did before they came out with all the happy memory keeping sticker books. This is the one that they came out with like a long time ago when they first started rolling out like the big happy planners. So yeah, this is the older memory keeping sticker book, but I still have it because I used it solely. I want it solely for the purpose of Project Life. But yeah, I found this sticker that says Special Day, and it doesn't go with my color scheme at all. My color scheme is pink and gold, and that sticker was like purple and silver. But you know, whatever, whatever. We're just gonna ride with it. But yeah, so this last card that I'm going to do, I just want to do a filler card, and the filler card is, I'm going to find a sticker from the Gold Star Quotes sticker book. And you guys, this sticker book has become my favorite sticker book. Like, it's so good. Like, I love this sticker book. I feel like I didn't really even want to buy it. Like, I was just at Michael's and then ended up like I was like, I came to Michael's. I came all the way to Michael's. I got to get something. And so I just picked it up, and it's become my favorite sticker book. So yeah, it was between two quote stickers that I wanted to use for this filler card. But in the end, I decided to choose this sticker that says "Live fully in the season you're in," and I thought that matched like perfectly to this spread. So I realized that this sticker was kind of like blending in with this card, and so I didn't want that. Like, I wanted it to be a little bit bolder, and so what I ended up doing was taking that sticker off of the card itself and putting it on this gold and white card. I have no idea where that card comes from. I think it's from like some Mambi sticker book. I don't know where that card comes from, but it was just in my stash. But I ended up just layering that across so that you can just see the quote a little bit better. And so I thought that turned out really nice in the end. But this is how the entire spread turned out, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.